Question number 4. A chord of a circle of a radius 10 cm obtains a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major segment. Pi is equal to 3.14. AB center O and right angle 90 degree. Given radius of circle is equal to 10 centimeter and angle theta that is equal to 90 degree. Area of minor segment is equal to area of sector OAB minus area of triangle AOB formed with radius and chord. Is equal to area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square minus half r square sin theta. Angle theta is 90 upon 360 into pi, given pi is equal to 3.14. Pi equal to 3.14 into radius is 10 into 10 minus half into radius is 10 into 10 into sin theta, sin 90 degree, that is equal to 1. 1 upon 4 into 314 divided by 100. 100 is cancel and 2 2s are 4. 157 2s are 314 minus 1 by 2 into 10 into 10 into sin 90 is equal to 1. This is divided by 2. 7 2s are 14. 8 2s are 16.5 and 2 5s are 10. 78.5 minus 50. Area of minor segment is equal to 78.5 minus 50 is equal to 28.5 centimeter square. Area of minor segment 28.5 centimeter square. And second part, area of major segment is equal to pi r square minus area of minor segment. Pi is 3.14 into radius is 10 into 10 minus area of minor segment, we get 28.5 centimeter square. This implies area of major segment is equal to 314 upon 100 multiply by 100 minus 28.5. This is cancelled and we get 314.0 28.5 5.13 5 and 10 8 2. Area of major segment is equal to 285.5 centimeter square. Answer. Given radius of circle is 10 centimeter and its major and its minor. Angle given is equal to 90 degree. Area of major segment is equal to area of sector OAB. Area of sector OAB major and minor. Area of sector OAB minus area of triangle AOB formed with radius and chord. That is equal to area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Pi is given 3.14 and theta is 90 upon 360 into 3.14 multiplied by radius is 10 into 10 minus half of r square. R is 10 square into sine theta. Angle is 90 degree. And sine 90 degree is equal to 1. We get 94s are 360 and 100 is cancelled. 2 2s are 4 and 157 2s are 314 and 175 divides by 2, that is 78.5 minus half into r square. 10 into 10 into sine 90 will be 1. 5 2s are 10 and 10 5s are 50. 78.5 minus 50, we get area of minor segment, that is 78.5 minus 50, that is 28.5 centimeter square. Its area of minor segment. And area of major segment is equal to pi r square minus area of minor segment. We get area of minor segment is 28.5 and area of major segment is equal to pi r square. Pi is 3.14 into r square is 10 into 10, that is 100, and 3.14 can be write 314 upon 100. 100 is cancelled. We get 314 minus 28.5 and we are subtracting 314 and 28.5, we get 285.5 centimeter square. area of major segment is equal to 285.5 centimeter square. Answer. Question number 5. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the length of the arc, area of sector formed by the arc, area of segment formed by the corresponding chord. O A B. Given radius is equal to 21 centimeter and angle theta is equal to 60 degree. 21 centimeter. Length of the arc is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Theta is 60 degree divided by 360 into 2 pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is 21. 0 0 cancel, 6 6 are 36, 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6 and 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. Length of the arc is equal to 22 centimeter. Answer. First part. And area of sector formed by the arc. Area of sector, that is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square, implies angle is 60 divided by 360 into pi r square. 22 upon 7 into radius is 21 into 21. 7 3s are 21, 3 2s are 6, 2 11s are is equal to 21 into 11, 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22, 23, 231 centimeter square. Third part, area of segment. Area of segment formed by the corresponding chord. By the corresponding chord is equal to area of sector minus area of AOB formed with radius and chord. is equal to 231 minus half r square sin theta equal to 231 minus half into radius is 21 into 21 into sin theta is sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is root 3 upon 2. Sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2. This implies 231 minus half into 21 into 21 into root 3 upon 2. This implies area of segment equal to 231 minus 441 root 3 divided by 4 centimeter square. Answer. Area of segment found by the corresponding chord is equal to 231 minus 441 root 3 upon 4 centimeter square. Answer. Given radius 21 centimeter and angle theta is 60 degree. Length of arc theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Length of the arc is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Theta is 60 upon 360 into 2 into pi 22 upon 7 into radius is 21. And 66 are 360 and 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. We get length of the arc is equal to 22 centimeter. Answer, first part. And second, area of sector, that is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Angle theta is 60 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21, because we have radius 21 centimeter. And 66 are 1 360 and 3 2s are 6, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 27, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 11 2s are 22. We get 21 into 11, that is 231 centimeter square. Answer, second part, area of sector. And area of segment formed by the corresponding chord is area of sector minus area of triangle AOB formed with radius and chord, that is half of r square into sin theta. 231 its area of sector minus half into 21 into 21, radius is 21, half into 21 into 21 into sin 60 degree, as we know that sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2. And putting the value of sin 60 degree here, root 3 upon 2, 2 2s are 4, and 21 multiplied by 21, 21 21s are 441. Then we get area of segment is equal to 231 minus 441 root 3 upon 4 centimeter square. Answer. Thank you so much.